Come in.
Just to chill where we're at.
Welcome.
Ooh. Oh boy. Oh man.
What's that?
It'll go down farther too, right? Oh, I have to. Derp. Do I have to hold it there?
No.
Oh, mine keeps going back up.
It'll lock in, I think. See?
Yeah.
To the Giant Canyon swing. Please remain seated upright. Push your back against the wall and keep holding
Hope my sunglasses stay on.
I'd take them off if I were you.
I saw a bunch of people wearing them, so if I feel them slipping, I'll just grab them.
Why do they only have one handle?
You can grab the
Oh shit!
Oh my goodness! Oh, it's like you're gonna just
Oh my god! I feel like I'm upside down. Oh man! I can't look at that right now. Look at my hand. I feel like the same I did on Catapult the first time. Look at that. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah. I'm ready for that second view.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, nice job.
I was half and half on the eyes closed, but I kept my eyes open for one of the big swings.
Good, because it was a great view.